Updates for BO protocol with my customer request set. First of all, guys, if you miss it, I just released the brand new indicator total for free. So initiation accumulation pump model. You remember I work with this model, I don't know, since 2022. And we use one daily candle close to remind that all of this zone of interest, like you can see, this is a FIB, what I personally custom FIB, what I use all the time for the tokens after listing all levels relevant. And here, perfect retest, rejection, invalidation. If the token dump on the listing price, I highly recommend it all the time. Find the lowest listing price for the tokens to build the best price zones. And finally, guys, so this, I released the indicator. Finally, these zones, you don't need to draw manually. Now, absolutely everything, you just add this indicator to your chart and everything will be automatically added to your chart. So take a look. This is a zone. So $1, $2.95. So we turn off and in one click, we build the same levels. Magic, guys. A link to this indicator will be on the description below. So I recommend you just go click the link. If you didn't know how to add and how to use this indicator, just open the link of indicator and press the star bottom. So this indicator will be added into your favorites because a lot of people are confused and don't know how to add this indicator and how to use it, you know. So it's kind of weird. All right, so people need to learn how to work with the trading view. After that, use the indicator. So we invalidate idea here by indicator. You can find the invalidation level. So that 3 cents. What next? Now this token like pump it, but guys, it's not the real pump. These zones now will be like rejection. Most likely, what I found with the previous tokens like IOTA, like Bitcoin Cash, like Dash, I'm not comparing the BO with that tokens. I just talk about a price action. What's most likely will happen this token? We will never reach this target anymore, I think, and not even this one because of unlocks and the narrative is gone about the BO protocol and that science coins. Maybe in the future we will see the new hype around this sector, but not now. So what's most likely we will see? It's rejection at this block. So 1398, 1972, it's more than real to see. Take a look. Here's a rejection. Here's a support. Drop it down on the fundamental value because we tested several times here. We drop it on the fundamental value on the daily, consolidate it here, and now we bounce over the exit line on the daily, just on a daily, guys. So this block, it will be like a rejection, and most likely we can see something like this. Is it something bad for the token, guys? It's gonna be there. Around 1000% gains. So this cycle, 1000% gains for the altcoin, it's a magic. Just to be honest, it's a magic. So I recommend you use the initiation accumulation pump model. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame, guys. Unfortunately, there is no data for take profit on the weekly. The craziest scenario, guys, if by some miracle we'll go to the 32 cents to test the second zone. This one, 32, 96, right, and 42. So once again, the previous zone of support now will play out like rejection. So you will 100% will see the reaction at this block, So where to take the profit, it's up to you guys. But I don't think so. We will hit the zone of distribution. ADZ. Unfortunately, guys, this is a daily time frame distribution. So this is not a like time to in. So this was a time to buy. Here was some accumulation. Here accumulation rebounds. Local one on the daily, we formed the huge divergence. All these periods of the distribution, especially before the May. I think it's a distribution. Even the weekly. Yes, it's kind of strange, but even on the weekly time frame, we are in the top zone of distribution. That's why the positive case, guys, if we will rebound to the 0.5 level by FIB, 17 cents once again. So that zone, the first zone of interest, guys, the second zone of interest, if we count from the top, and now the first zone of rejection, it's 1340, 20 cents. So this is going to be the rejection 100%, I guess. And it can be even divergence. So another weekly time frame, something like this one by end of the year. Summer, for example, which going like this one, chop, and this is going to be the top, 1000% gains. All right, let's take a look. The direction, guys. Direction, no signal to sell yet. Daily time frame, all this in period here since end of February, it was accumulation. Now we're at the top, no signal to sell. You can add alerts to this one. If you trade or if you invest in a bio, I'm not recommended to waste the stable coins, with the DCA now. Better find a fresh new token and reinvest the money in it, because a lot of people, for example, who bought it here at 80 cents, they start buying here, they start waste the stable coins here. And even if we, for example, rebound here, they will be still in losses. And it's not, and you just froze the more stable coins. All right. So add alerts where when will be the time to sell. Possible overbought. This one, I would like to see the notification. All right, I highly recommend you guys use this set because it's give you a lot of additional data about the tokens. Take a look at the daily, guys. This is A3. This was a capitulation. Now it's A3. So it's time to take the profit. Weekly time frame, of course. Daily, you have to divide the difference different of time frames. So the weekly time frame we use for the spot position, like investments. The daily, it's for swing trades, and all hours time frame is for the intraday trades. So the weekly time frame for the investor since December 25, we've been here in capitulation zone. So from 4 cents, this one 4.1069. We join it to the capitulation zone, gray zone. So it's the time where the best time for accumulation for the spot. And you could use DCA only here, only beginning from December 75. Imagine all that time period, it was the sales. It was A3 about the token. Now it's a disbelief. So once again, let's add alerts to the let's add alerts to the optimism. When there will be some optimism on the chart and the weekly time frame on the bio, I will see the identification also. So how recommend you do the same. Money power here, 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row. December, it was accumulation of bio around the 4 cents. MACD bullish divergence, RSI bullish divergence. 1 week again at 2 cents, 3 accumulation by Wells with the MACD divergence, and we pump it. So their entry, the market makers of the big guys who accumulated here, around 557, 469, 458, and 233. So around, I guess, 350 this could be the entry. That's why at 6, I guess, when we're going to sweep this high, I think we will see some money outflow. Let's also alert to the money outflow on the weekly. I think it's going to be the positive for us to take the profit. Weekly time frame, guys, here was the signal to buy. Congrats if you watched the first video about a bio and if you use this indicator set. And what's going on? Still no signals to sell, by the way. And the daily, of course, it was a take profit. Here, the last signal to buy, take profit, sell, drop, and we go higher. So once again, the negative scenario, guys, if we just sweep this high and going down at summer forming something like double bottom. The positive, if we go break the structure and go directly to 1340, for example, during the May or in autumn. It's hard to say about timing. Guys, write please in a comment what do you think about a bio. Link to the initiation accumulation pump model for indicator will be on the description below. If you like to use other indicators, this set and a complex, just write me DM. Don't forget John Matekov Chon. See you next time, guys.